So today I'm gonna talk to the connectors of the Gearshaftcables cables for the Volvo 70 Mark III. I broke this by changing the clutch with the flywheel. And I want to buy this by Volvo. It's not, or I'm not able to become this head. They just sell the cables completely. They want 360 euros for that, and so I bought the cables by eBay for a bit of that, and now I show you how to change this brackets. Now there are different types of brackets. If it looks like this, you have to push. I come near here. I push the big buttons there and there together, and then you can remove this plate from the connector, and so you are able to push it down and they release this, and you can change this. By this connector it's a little different. Here are several noses. You can see it there, and the other sides, and you have to push them in direction of the middle and go with a knife or something else underneath and click them up. So you can see here are the several noses that you have pushed in the middle of the direction, and then you can get it up and release this from the original cable and change it with the cables from eBay. Then you have to, or if you have to change the pin from the second cable, you have to push here and here with a screwdriver right in the middle of the direction, there and there, and you can get the hood off, and you see here are the noses of this cap. Yeah, so that's it, and you can change it and then push it together on the new cable, or on the cable that you want to install, and that's it.